Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Planet for Tech. I hope you all are doing great and learning lots by watching all the continuous episode of this series Python Beginner to Master. So guys, till now we have completed 12 episode of this series and today in the 13th episode I am going to describe you the new topic that is the Python data structure dictionary. So in the previous episode we have gone through the other built-in data structure that is list, tuple and sets, and in this episode I'm going to describe you the next built-in data structure that is the dictionary. So let's start it. So as usual, the first point comes in our mind is what is dictionary. So this dictionary is nothing but the another type of data structure. You can say built-in data structure, which stores the value in a key value pair. So this point you have to make a note like key value pairs. So in a previous example, in a previous set of data structure, we have seen like a list and tuple and the sets. So there we were just storing the value, but here the new point is what? The new point is here we have to store the value with its key. Here we are going to store the value and key both together. So this is the difference between the previous built-in data structure and this dictionary. So in the dictionary, the all values comes in a key value pair. So what it means key value? So key value means nothing but you can say, let's suppose we have one key like name. So this name I am going to store like Ramesh. So this way guys we have to store the value in the dictionary. So key value, every value is going to have one key. So one point you have to notice here, those keys are must be unique. If the keys are not unique, so the coming keys is just overriding the existing one. So you have to make a note like the in a dictionary all the keys must be unique. Otherwise it will overlap the existing keys. However, the value can have duplicate, like we can have two Ramesh in the same company, but we can't have the same ID for the two different employees. So that is what the uniqueness comes there. Now let's move ahead how to create this dictionary. So let me show you it by example here. So guys, we have gone through the other data structure as well. So let me summarize it one by one here. So this is the way of creating list here. Let's suppose we have few employee. So we have to create like this, or so you can have the values like this 1 comma 2 like this. So this is a list, and this is a kind of tuple. This way we create the tuple, and this way we create this set. Now the next is what? Dictionary. So in case of dictionary we need to have key pair value. So how we can do this here? So we can have the first value as 1, the second value we can have as a b. So this way guys we have to create the dictionary. Let me show you its output. Print this d. You can see here it is printing like a equals to 1 and b equals to 1 and 2. Why this is showing like that? Because we have here, you can see this b I have added, that is why. So we can make it 2 like that. You can see here. So this way we can create the dictionary. So if you want to access, or if you want to store another data structure inside dictionary, then it is also possible. Let's suppose I want to have this list in the dictionary. So is it possible? Let me show you. Yes, it is possible if you are using that in place of value. So here you can see this is the key and this a is the value. So in place of value we can have any data type, any structure, but in case of key we can't have the mutable data. What means about the mutable? So here you can see set, this is the list and this is tuple and this is set. So we know very well like this list is what? Mutable. We can change its element. This tuple is what? Immutable. And similarly way, the Next is the set. Set is also immutable. So while using these values inside any dictionary, you have to make a note. That note is nothing but key must not be mutable. It means at the place of key, we cannot use the list. This list is not possible because let's suppose if you are going to have the key like this way, A equals to like this. So it is not possible. Why not possible? Because here you can see A is what? List, and list is what? Mutable. But the rule is what? The key must not be mutable. That is why you cannot use this list as a key of any dictionary. So the key of dictionary must be unique and immutable. So this is the thumb rule you have to keep remember while creating the dictionary. So this way, and another point is, let me show you. Let's suppose we have created one dictionary here, like this. So we have name Ramesh, and we have this is you can say general in our day-to-day life how we remember the data in our mind. So let's suppose you meet to your friend, so you remember his name. So his name is Ramesh. His age, so you can consider it 28. His salary, whatever salary you want, you can assign to your friends here. Like this, I'm going to give the 3000 only. And if you want, you can have other information like the address, you can say location. So location, if you want, uh, obviously you must have the location of your friend. So you can have the Delhi like that. So this way, guys, we remember our friends or our data in mind. So in whatever data we have in the mind, that is definitely having some key. So name is Ramesh, age is 28, and salary is this, and location is this way. Now I'm going to print this here. So to print the data structure, we don't need to give the print every time. We can simply pass like that, and it will print that value there. Let me show you. Oh, sorry. In the console, it will not show. So we need to give that. But in a Jupyter notebook, you can see, so it will work there. Let me show you here. But in the console, it is not going to print that without print command. So we need to pass the print every time. You can see this way. Now, what about if you want to know the salary only? You don't want to know the name and age. You want to worry about the salary about your friend. So let's have how we can access it. So we can access d dot salary. So you can say, so this way we can access the particular element on the basis of their key name. You can see, so this salary we can access here. So this way, guys, we can create the dictionary and we can use it, and we can use it by the name of the with the key of the dictionary here. Let's suppose what happened, first time you have created this name, and by mistake you forgot like what you have already added, and you added this key again, and this time you added this with a different location. So again, if you are going to add the name as like this, Suresh, so what will happen? You can see here, so we have you can see we have different. The first time the name key was Ramesh, and the second time you added the Suresh. So this is not allowed in a dictionary. However, if you are doing this, so what it will do? So basically the value which is at the line number 10 is going to replace the value of line number 6. So the name will be Suresh. So this is the latest value of this particular key. What is the conclusion of this example? The conclusion is the key of the dictionary must be unique every time. Otherwise, it will replace the existing key. Let me show you. You can see here, so name is showing it as a Suresh. It is showing the latest value. It is just overriding the existing one. So the key point while creating dictionary is you have to remember you are not going to duplicate the key. So this is all about how to create, how to access the dictionary. There are certain functions provided by the Python to operate in a dictionary. So those we are going to understand one by one. So these are the built-in function. So get function is used to get a value of the specified key. If you will pass the key, it will give you the element. And the pop function takes a key as an argument and release that key value and returns the value. Let me show you. If I am going to use the get function, so I need to pass the key, or you can say the salary. Let me remove the duplicate value, otherwise it will confuse you. So let me have the location. So you have to pass the key and it will give you the value there. So it should give the value as a daily. You can see it is showing like that. And the similar way, if you want to pop, so you can pop it. Let me show you. Daily it is showing because we just popped it. And once the pop function, we can print it and we can see the location is popped out. You can see here name, age and salary is showing, but the location is not showing because it is removed from this dictionary. Now the next one is what? Pop item. So you can return the pop item. You can delete the last key values and returns the key value pair as dictionary. So you can, if you are using the pop item, so it will return the last key value pair. And clear is just to make the dictionary clear. So it keeps the instance of the dictionary, that is we can access the dictionary after clearing. It gives an empty dictionary. It will clear its all the value, delete all the elements. And what about this key? So this keys is used to get your the all the keys of all the field of that particular dictionary. So let me show you that. Suppose let's suppose you want to know like how many keys are there and what those keys are in the dictionary. So you can use this function d dot keys. So it will give you all the keys of that particular dictionary. So let me show you. So you can see here. So these are the keys: name, age, salary, location. So this way guys, we have gone through all the function of the built-in function of Python dictionary. So in this episode, this much guys, and we have completed the built-in data structure in Python, that is list, tuple, sets and dictionary. So if you have any doubt or confusion, so don't forget to ask in comment section. And if you like our efforts, so share this video among your friends. And if you are new to the channel, so don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest notification about the upcoming session, upcoming episodes. So thank you guys, thank you so much for watching.